Good morning, y'all. It is Saturday. It is 7:30 in the morning. It is July 7th. We are on our way to Moffitt. It is the big day. It is my 3-month CT scan. I'm nervous, I'm anxious, but I know it's gonna be okay. I do have my port out. I have some lidocaine on there because it's really weird. You think since Moffitt's a really big hospital, they would do the lidocaine shots that Seattle does, but they don't. So you have to put like the lidocaine cream on, let it sit for 30-40 minutes. So that's what I got going on right there. Right there. I woke up a little nervous, a little anxious, just because that's the territory of these scans. But like I already said like 5 seconds ago, I have a really good feeling about it. It's just nerve-wracking. But let's head to Moffitt.
No.
Hey.
So how'd it go?
Good.
You're not hurt, are you?
No, you ready to go?
Yeah. So what happened back there?
I got my CT scan.
Did you get put in that tunnel?
I got put in the tunnel. I got put in the tunnel, y'all.
Was it cold?
Yeah, it was really cold back there, but they gave me a blanket. So CT scan's done. I'll find the results out on Monday when I meet my doctor, and then I'll update y'all on that. So this is gonna be like a 2-part vlog. So yeah. Let's go, I'm hungry. Good morning, y'all. It is Monday, July 9th. I always want to say June. I don't know why, but we are on our way to Moffitt. We're meeting my doctor at 9 o'clock. It's currently 7:52. My port draw, I gotta put that lidocaine on actually. I have to be at Moffitt at 8:15 to do my port draw, so since I reminded myself I need to put on my lidocaine, this basically just numbs it up. We meet my doctor, find out the results of my scan, so I'll let y'all know. I'm nervous, I'm anxious, but I'm more anxious than nervous just to see how these lymph nodes are looking, and yeah, so I like to talk a lot when I'm nervous, when I'm anxious, so I'm just gonna spare you guys all the rambling and just end this clip here. See you at Moffitt. Drawn. We have an hour till my doctor's appointment. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do to kill time, but we got an hour to wait. So I'll let you know about my results when I get them.
Your C125 yet, I believe.
Okay.
But your CT scan was compared to there is no evidence of a disease. Okay.
Yes.
That's awesome. So well, that was amazing, huh?
I'm going to cry. Y'all, it's been 3 months since I've been off chemo, everything, and I was nervous as heck. I was nervous, but my CA125 last month was 9.5. This month it's 8.8. And then my scans looked amazing, and the crazy part is my lymph nodes, they weren't even enlarged. They didn't even put them on the report. So that right there just shows you that God is good. He put me in the hands of the most amazing doctors. Dr. Urban at UW saved my life and her team. My doctor here at Moffitt, and Moffitt, they're going to continue to give me amazing treatment, but we did it, y'all. So the new plan is I get a scan and CA-125 every 3 months. So that's the plan. I won't be back here for another 3 months, which is crazy. Y'all, we did it. We're beating this dang thing and it ain't coming back. So that's gonna conclude this video. Thank y'all so much from the bottom of my heart for all your support. I'm gonna go home and cry, celebrate, and love on my hubby and puppy. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.